Good day to all employers. My name is Aileen Casimiro Rebello. I'm 42 years old from Parañaque City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I have a live-in partner, only one child, only girl. My highest education attainment is high school diploma. My special skills is hardworking woman. I like also dancing and singing. I also have 6 years experience in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain City. In Saudi Arabia, I finished my contract for 2 years. Being a nanny and a housemaid, I will do my responsibility like cooking, taking care of the kids, give them food, and always secure them to be safe. And also for Bahrain for 4 years and 6 months. Being a nanny, I'll do my duties and responsibilities to maintain the cleanliness, give them food, taking care of them, especially the kids. After I finish my 2 years, I go vacation in 2 months in the Philippines. And then after, I renew my contract again for 2 years and 6 months. For my future employer, I will promise to you I have more patient, more energetic, kind, loving, being caring, and trustworthy. And also, I will promise to you I will stay to you until I finish my contract and until you need me. That's all. Thank you.